In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your Netflix doesn't work on your Toshiba TV. For the first step, go here on the home button on your Toshiba TV and then go all the way up here and then go to the right until you get it to the settings. Okay, and here in the settings, the first thing we can do is that we scroll all the way down until we get to the device preferences. Sorry, not the Wi-Fi. We go to device preferences, click on this here, and then we go on about here, and here we can click on system updates, and then here we can look for a new system update. So sometimes this really helps. So now it is scanning here for an update, and yeah, my update is up to date, but if you have an software update, then do this now. And what we also can do, if nothing works in this tutorial, then you can also try to do a factory reset, but this is the last option you should do. So, and if you go back to the settings here, click on the settings again and then go to apps. Then we can also change some app settings. So click on apps here, and then we have like see all apps, and then show your system apps. You can click on this, and here we can go all the way down to like Netflix. So here is Netflix, then click on this, and here first we can easily clean the cache. So sometimes this helps, and here clear defaults, you can also do this. So clear the data, clear the cache, and clear the defaults. And what we also can do is that we like uninstall updates, or if this doesn't work everything here, then we can also go into our Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store we can look for Netflix and can uninstall it, and then we can reinstall it, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.